In front of me I've got SONY Xperia 1, and let me show you how to change ringtone on the following device. So first of all, you have to open the settings, then locate and go to sound right here, and here scroll a bit lower, click on phone ringtone, and now just check all of the possible options, then pick the one that you like the most. So I will present you all the ringtones, starting with air. And then just pick the one that you would like to apply. It can be this one, tap on OK. And that's it, you've just changed phone ringtone, congrats. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.